I was tired of this old wallpaper. I tried to apply some better wallpapers, but they bored me too. So I decided to apply live wallpapers, and it turned my PC from this to this. Do you also want to apply live wallpaper to your computer? I know you want. So in this video, I will show you how you can apply live wallpaper to your PC desktop, and there is a golden tip at the end of this video that will make your life easier. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So first open your browser and search for My Live Wallpaper. Click the first link with this icon. And this is the website from which you can download unlimited live wallpapers, and the best part is that it's totally free. Isn't this amazing? Now if you click here, you find these categories and you can choose any one you like. Let's see on City and see what we have got here. Wow, I like it so much. Now let's try something from here. Now I will show you how to download this. So click on the wallpaper you like and let's check how this will look. This looks awesome. Now, to apply this as wallpaper, you have to download an application of My Live Wallpaper. So, scroll down and click on How to add a live wallpaper for your desktop Windows PC. Now, click here to download the file. Now wait for a few seconds. And when it's done, open it. Now open this file, click Next, and simply click Install. Now from here, you can add your live wallpaper. So let's download our wallpaper first. Now if you scroll down, you can see two different options. You can download it for your desktop or even for mobile. It's also available in 4K quality. Let's download it. And once the download is complete, open My Live Wallpaper app. Click on Add Video. Click on Browser. Now select the video you want to add to your wallpaper, click Open, and done. So you can see how easy it was to add a live wallpaper to your PC. Now it's time for the golden tip. So are you ready? Sometimes my desktop is full of applications and it looks very messy. So I found a perfect solution for this. Let me show you a magic. You can see how nicely my apps are arranged. This is actually a wallpaper that made my desktop cleaner than my room. Let me show you how you can make your desktop just like this one. So come to Google again and search for Wallpaper Cave. Click the first website. Now here, search Desktop Shelf. Click the second one. Now here, you can find a lot of amazing wallpapers that will make your desktop stunning. You can download any wallpaper you like. Just click the one you like and click here to download. And when it's downloaded to your computer, set it as background. Now there is one thing you must need to do. Right-click, click on View and deselect Auto-Align Icons to Grid. And you will be able to place your apps freely. Now arrange the apps on shelf. I would like to place this PC icon on the table, right here, and recycle bin here at the side of the table. Isn't this amazing? That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing contents.